Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Bobby's RCs. So let's go ahead and get into the video, guys. Well, I just received my ryobi. There's the back, and there's the front. My ryobi HP54L 4.0 volt lithium. Well, comes with a battery. Ryobi Tech 4. It's a 4-volt battery. Lithium ion. See, there's that. Yeah, I know I already unboxed it, but I'll show you how to put the battery in. You see that little part right there, and this little part on the battery, you have to make sure the little part on the battery is lined up with this little thing right here. So you just put it in there just like that, and screw the bottom on, and bam, you got power. And it comes with a flathead bit and the Phillips. This is a 1/4 hex shank magnetic bit thing. The only thing you do is just you put this end into here. See, that's simple, just like that. And this does have 2 speeds. One is 2. I mean, there's 1 and 2 right here. So you put it on 1, and it's then you hit this button right here to flip it over. Then the only thing you do if you want to change drivers, just pull it out and pop the other one in. It's that simple. When you have it pushed in on the left side, it's going right, so you can screws in. Then when you push this, when it goes over to the right, it's going this way. It's getting the screw out. And the speed is on 2, and I'm gonna put it on 1. See, as you can see, it's on 1. See, that's to get the screw out. Then you flip this little button right here to the other side, and then puts the screws in. So yeah, this will be a handy tool to use. Now I don't have to use them Allen keys for the bolts and stuff. Because you know what? Them Allen keys, they are a pain in the butt. So now, sometime I need to get me some, it's a 1/4 hex shank, magnetic, I guess you call it driver or bits or whatever. I'm gonna get me some of them next time. I'll probably get me 2.0, 1.5, 1.0. Well, all the basic drivers that you need to work on your RC car with. So this little ryobi HP54L 4.0 volt lithium battery. This will save me time. Will save me time from using them Allen keys. Well, something like that, but I don't have anything that big, well, in screws, but this right here will save me a bunch of time from having to use this freaking thing. Cause I know everybody hates using these things. Well, I know I do. Alright. There's that. It comes with a battery and the charger. Then you just plug this into a plug-in and let your battery charge. So there's that. Whoops. Yep, this paper right here, it's just, it's not the manual, but it tells you, it says, do not charge battery to in the damp or wet locations. Batteries can explode in the presence, well, whatever that is, of a source of ignition such as a pilot light. Do not place battery tools or their batteries near fire or heat. And it says battery tools do not have to be plugged in an electrical outlet. Therefore, they are always in operating condition. Be aware of possible hazards when not using your battery tool or when changing accessories. And it says keep battery pack dry, clean, and free from oil and grease. And it said do not use a battery pack that is damaged or modified. And it also says do not modify or attempt to repair a battery pack that has been damaged. Do not expose a battery pack or appliance to fire or excessive temperatures. Have servicing performed by a qualified repair person using only identical replacement parts. Save these instructions. Blah, blah, blah. All that good stuff. I don't want to make this video too long. Here is the instruction booklet. It just gives you details about the ryobi HP54L screwdriver or drill or whatever you want to call it. I ain't gonna try to make this video too long because everybody knows what a instruction manual is. I'm not gonna go through everything. But it says read on operator's manual, safety alert, wet conditions alert, recycle symbol, volts, minutes, direct current, no load speed, then it says per minute, revelation, strokes, surface speed, orbits, etc. per minute. I ain't gonna go through the whole manual here because everybody knows what they are. And it comes with a piece of paper that you can buy, different bits and stuff. So that's pretty handy. I ain't gonna try to make this video too long. Alright, well, I guess enough about the manual. Everybody knows what a manual is for, so I'm not gonna bore you with a manual and stuff. So what is everybody up to right now? What are you doing? I'm just sitting at my table recording this video, and it's pretty outside. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Excuse me. And right beside the subscribe button, there's sorry about that. Right beside the subscribe button, there's the notification bell. You tap it to all, so you all don't miss any videos from me. For when I upload them on YouTube, so you all can be the first to get notified to watch my videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon on the next video. You know what? LOL, that would be in just a few more minutes. Alright, talk to you later.